Anyone that knows me will know that I do love a drink, particularly wine and also a gin. Friday night, straight after work, gin, tonic, slice of lime, perfect. Now this is a good gin. I like this gin a lot. And I also like craft produced items, so coffee, food, wine and craft gin. So I've just ordered a gin from a company called One-Eyed Harry. And you're going to have to apologise because this is going to be backwards to you. But look how this gin has arrived with an incredible information sheet that tells you about the gin. They say that their gin is produced in one of the smallest licensed stills in the UK. And approximately half the ingredients are crushed by hand in a pestle and mortar. When I know people have put that amount of work into producing something for me, it really enhances my enjoyment of that product. It says the gin has got a cloudy appearance, and I'll show you in a minute, because the amount of essential oils that it contains, apparently that was known as louching. And opinions have changed, and it's what gives their gin a fantastic aroma and long-lasting finish. But also in my little pack, I got some One-Eyed Harry table mats, brilliant, and a new shopping bag, which I shall go shopping with pride. You know, I don't use those plastic bags. I use these bags to do my shopping, so I shall carry that around the local area with pride. And here's the gin. So, really, really well wrapped. And as you can see, it's One-Eyed Harry gin. On the back, I've got bottled by, and the autograph of the person that bottled it, that made it in the smallest still in the country. And that I'm seriously looking forward to drinking.